Hi, my name is Phil Sasso. I'm 83 years old. The last couple of years I had setbacks where I became wheelchair bound. I happened to come across National Ramp and found it to my desire. It's well built, well manufactured, non-slippery, and installed by qualified employees. This has made my life much easier because I had to climb steps to get in and out of my unit. They actually installed the ramp upside my wall unit, across the lawn, and into my front door. So there's actually no steps involved with me in the process of moving from inside to the outside to my car. I'm very satisfied with this product. Thank you, National Ramp, for giving me my freedom back with this installation. And if anybody has any problems, the same conditions that I have, I strongly recommend them to purchase this product. Thank you.